Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko. Today we're going to be having another update about Moderna. So yesterday I made a quick upload. It was like not even 120 seconds, not even a 2-minute video. Today we're going to be having a more in-depth video about Moderna. What are my thoughts about it, and so on and so on. So yeah, as you can see, yesterday we really did push down to the downside as predicted. So we're going to be taking a look at the prediction and what are my thoughts about it and all the other good stuff. But first of all, one person said that Moderna has been an absolute people mover in the past month. Okay, Delta variant providing a massive gains to the shareholders' equity, short-term trades, and the Moderna has been a tier taking similar tickers and companies within the space up with sympathy or just running off its Delta variant narrative. Okay, the Delta variant is the actual coronavirus, right? So either way, these moves are great for long-term holders who hold and survive through Moderna's not so forgiving secondary offerings, so dilution. Now they seem to be paying in forward go bulls. Okay, so Moderna is a pretty good, beautiful company. You already know that they make like the vaccines for the COVID-19. This is what pushed the price really to the upside. It was being traded at the start of 2020. Let me just tell you that the start of 2020 was just at right around like 24 bucks, just below 20 bucks. Right now it is being traded at right around 390 bucks. And as you can see, this was predicted from yesterday. I mean, the price action and all, as you can see, my prediction was this was not right. Okay, we got that right and we just stopped about it. Okay, so screw that. I had a prediction that it was kind of to push down to the downside to these levels and kind of push back up here too, now there too. And the last thing that I thought that was about to happen, just we come right on this line and then push to the upside. But I'm not saying that we cannot push to this line, nor this line. It is like it can absolutely happen. Okay, so that's why I have these lines right now, where a lot of people right now are really down. They have been commenting on my videos lately, and they are gonna be down, bro. I mean, for sure they're down like 20% or so, because they did buy on the high, on the all-time high. So all-time high is right around 496.99. Okay, so yeah, they did buy on the all-time high. As I said, my advice for you guys who did that and who are really down right now, simple word: average down. It is that simple. These simple two words: average down. What does that mean? I mean, that means you buy the dip right now, the dip that just went below the previous dip that you bought, or the previous price, and with kind of a similar amount of shares or just a small amount, so you can just kind of average down between in the middle. Okay, so that's how it works. Also, I think this is what will be happening, kind of push back up to the upside, and over for the long run, this is about to really keep pushing to the upside. Also, I saw one person that made a lot of money on like $30,000 gains on puts on Robinhood in just one day on Moderna, which was a pretty awesome thing. Okay, pretty awesome thing. And I mean, it is for sure. And if you haven't if you kept watching my short ass videos about Moderna, you could have seen that I really have been saying that this cannot just push to the upside for forever. The healthy stock, what does health stock do? It does push to the upside, but then it kind of consolidates. As you see right here, it pushes to the upside, but then it kind of retrades. Okay, if you see stock pushing to the upside out of nowhere for just like that, you can see that you can just imagine in your head that this can have a bigger retrace than the impulse that it went to the upside. Okay, so just keep that in mind before investing in some kinds of stocks that you do not know. And yeah, overall, a lot of the people there. Oh, also I want to say about the covered calls sold. So in June, when Moderna was selling for about $200 a share, a lot of the people saw the cover shells and all that good stuff. Right now, it is up, and Moderna has been an absolute people mover, as we already read that. Okay, I read the article. There are breaking reports. Okay, founder of the Moderna vaccine, Dr. Robert Malone, claims the CDC is under reporting and editing adverse effects of COVID vaccines. So they're saying that something that I saw right here on the page was some kind of article. I saw that the third dose of Moderna COVID vaccine helps protect transplant patients, study finds. So study found that it can help the transplant patients more with the COVID-19 and so on and so on, so they have a higher chance to live. And Moderna is set to join the S&P 500, and the stock can release 8% after hours. It will be fun. I mean, every stock that is in the S&P 500 is basically moving to the upside. No, but overall S&P 500 is on bare minimum moving to the upside, like 12% or year over year. And why weren't Moderna vaccines over approved since 1989 to the COVID pandemic? And the Moderna vaccines were invaded in 1989, but since then none of the experiments have been approved for larger scale vaccination until the COVID pandemic hit. The Moderna was approved through the emergency approvals. What was wrong with the vaccines period of 2020? We don't know that, but right now the technology is better and so on and so on. So that's why I think that the price can kind of push to the upside right now. Not with the price, of course. Now this is kind of connected with the price, but that is not just the main reason. Also from kind of the price action and all the other stuff, I absolutely think this can really rally to the upside. And a lot of the people, a lot of you guys are really kind of searching Moderna right now. This is how it looks like, okay, with all the price action, all the good stuff. And all the price action and all the good stuff, as you can see, it can keep pushing to the downside, but we don't know. Okay, it can, as I said, it can go to this line too, and this even 245. And it could have been smart to buy puts, to put this to the downside, to kind of push to the downside, because this retrace has been expected, no cap, okay, and I think that it can still push to the downside. But enough of I have kept saying that. But right now all I want to say about is the volatility and some indicators that we have right here. As you can see, we made all the all-time high highs. As I already said, that it was 497.49 all-time high. And about the volatility right now, today is below the average. For sure, the market is not just open, but it is open 2 hours or so. The volatility is some early into the half, but yesterday it was above the average, and it was 53.8 million from the daily average that was 30.2 million. But it is what it is, and that's about it for today, guys. Okay, I'm not financial advisor or anything like that. I'll always say, make sure you do your own due diligence before kind of listening to some guy on YouTube and investing your money. Okay, this stock has value, and for the future can be a lot can have a life-changing results, and so on and so on. Okay, I know a lot of people made a tons amount of money, but it's not always that shiny. Okay, so sometimes you will lose money. I know that a lot of you guys are down right now, but average down, everything will be okay. Consider liking and subscribing, because I will be keeping updated. And peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye.